Hi, it is Sarah from Poke Glitters, and I am here today to give you some swatches for two new Cosmetic Grade glitters that just launched this week. They are quite spectacular. And okay, so this is the first glitter. It is called Madison's Magic, and it is in this month's Foxy 4. It is like a rose pink, so I guess you could say it's like a rose gold. Cosmetic Grade glitter, and it is in the metallic lines, and it is quite spectacular. So I'm just going to dip my finger in there. This is without any adhesive at all, just to give you. Okay, this is what Madison's Magic looks like swatched. This is what I love about the metallics, is that when you mix it with on top of a glitter adhesive, they actually look like a pressed glitter. They're very, very beautiful. And so this is like a rose gold color. Look at that compared to the flower here, just so you can see. Okay, and so for the second one, this is called Peacock. It is also a metallic, and it is a bluish green. It is gorgeous. I'll just dip my finger in there so you can see it too. Okay, so this is Peacock. I was not able to wipe all of Madison's Magic off, so you might see some pink in there, but you should be able to get the idea. It is just like a beautiful blue. Okay, so those are the two new colors that were just added, Peacock, Madison's Magic, to our Cosmetic Metallic line. They only come in ultra fine. We don't have any large flake size yet, but they are two beautiful colors, and they are perfect for the holidays. I know that you all are going to be going to those holiday Christmas parties, Thanksgiving, and there is no other way than to go sparkly. So this will go with, you know, a lot of dresses. I know that for a fact, and so will this. But they are available in mini jar, which is $1.50, all the way up to pounds. So if you're wanting to get like 100 pounds of this, you can. It's available. Yeah. So that is us. So if you are making your own Christmas gifts this year, if you have a cosmetic company, whatever it is, or if you just are a makeup artist, so you just love glitter, we have every single size for you, and you're not breaking the bank shopping with us. So don't forget to go to bulkglitters.com, and you can go to shop by color and pick out Madison's Magic or Peacock, or you can get Madison's Magic in our Foxy 4, which is only $2.99. You get a choice of 10 colors, and you get to choose 4 colors to create your own assortment.